Mid-air refueling, also known as aerial refueling, is a complex process that allows aircraft to transfer fuel from a tanker aircraft to a receiver aircraft while both are in flight. Here is a simplified overview. First, the receiver aircraft approaches the tanker aircraft, typically flying in a position behind and below the tanker. Next, the receiver aircraft establishes contact with the tanker's refueling drogue or boom, depending on the system being used. Once connected, fuel is pumped from the tanker's fuel tanks to the receiver aircraft's fuel tanks. After the fuel transfer is complete, the receiver aircraft disconnects from the tanker and continues its mission. There are two main types of mid-air refueling systems. The boom system uses a rigid boom that extends from the rear of the tanker aircraft. The receiver aircraft flies into position, and the boom operator guides the boom into a receptacle on the receiver aircraft. The drogue system uses a flexible hose with a drogue or basket-like device on the end. The receiver aircraft uses a probe to connect with the drogue and receive fuel. Mid-air refueling offers several benefits. It increases range by allowing aircraft to stay in the air for longer periods, extending their range and mission duration. It improves flexibility, enabling aircraft to respond to changing mission requirements and adapt to unexpected situations. It also enhances operational capabilities, supporting a wide range of military and civilian operations, including long-range flights, surveillance, and humanitarian missions. However, there are also challenges. Precision is required, as mid-air refueling demands precise flying and control to ensure safe and efficient fuel transfer. Training is essential, since pilots and boom operators must undergo specialized training to master the necessary skills. Safety is always a concern, as aerial refueling operations carry inherent risks, including the potential for collisions or fuel spills. Overall, mid-air refueling is a complex and highly specialized process that requires careful planning, precise execution, and extensive training. Here are some examples of fighter jets and aircraft designed for mid-air refueling. Fighter jets designed for mid-air refueling: the F-15 Eagle, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the F/A-18 Super Hornet, the F-22 Raptor, the F-35A Lightning II, the Dassault Rafale M, the Eurofighter Typhoon, the Mirage 2000 and the Su-30 MKI. Tankers and refueling aircraft. These are tankers used in refueling aircraft. They include the KC-135 Stratotanker, the KC-46 Pegasus, the KC-10 Extender, the Airbus A330 MRTT, multi-role tanker transport, the Russian Ilyushin Il-78 MKI, the Airbus A400M, the modified Boeing 707, and the KC-30 and RAAF's Airbus A330 MRTT variant. Other aircraft designed for refueling are the B-2 Spirit bomber, the C-130 Hercules, the C-17 Globemaster III, the CH-53E Super Stallions, the E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, which is a US Navy's airborne early warning aircraft, to be equipped with refueling probes, and the F-35B and F-35C Lightning II, which is a US Marine Corps and US Navy variants, with probe and drogue refueling capability. These aircraft are designed to extend their range and endurance through mid-air refueling, enabling them to conduct longer missions and respond to emergencies more effectively.